Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Speak Gently channel. This is the place where we learn English one sip at a time. I am Jordan.
Hello, Jordan. Hello, friends. Please speak very, very gently today. My brain is still sleeping.
Oh, dear. Alex looks like he just woke up. You look like you need a wake-up call.
I need more than a call, Jordan. I need magic. I need a big cup of hot black coffee. I am so sleepy, I almost put my shoes on the wrong feet this morning.
Well, you are in the right place. Today we are going to the coffee shop. This is a very important part of life in English-speaking countries.
I love coffee shops, but they make me nervous. There are so many choices. People are standing behind me in line, and the barista asks questions so fast.
Ah, you used a great word, the barista. That is the person who makes the coffee. And you are right. Coffee shops have their own special language. It is different from a regular restaurant.
Please teach me, Jordan. If I don't get my coffee soon, I might fall asleep right here on the table.
Okay, let's start with part 1, the drink. When you walk in, you need to know what you want.
Usually, I just want coffee, but they always ask me what kind.
Exactly. If you want it simple, you say, black coffee. That is just coffee and water. No milk, no sugar.
Black coffee. That is strong. What if I want it creamy?
Then you might want a latte or a cappuccino. A latte has a lot of milk. A cappuccino has more foam. That's the white bubbles on top.
I love the bubbles. Cappuccino. And for my friends who don't like coffee?
They can order a hot chocolate or tea.
Black coffee, latte, cappuccino, hot chocolate. Okay, I have my drink. But then the barista asks about size.
Yes. Usually we don't say big or little. We say small, medium, or large.
Small, medium, large. Today I definitely need a large. Maybe an extra large.
Careful, Alex. Your heart will go boom, boom, boom. Now let's move to part 2, customizing. This is where you make the drink perfect for you.
I like my coffee a little bit sweet.
Then you say with sugar. Or if you want a lot, with extra sugar.
With sugar. And what if I don't want the cow's milk? I see people asking for different things.
Yes, you can ask for no milk, or you can try oat milk or almond milk. These are very popular now.
With oat milk, please. It sounds very fancy.
Very fancy. Now, Alex, let's talk about the golden question. Every barista in the world will ask you this.
What is it? Is it about my name?
Sometimes they ask for your name to write on the cup, but the golden question is, for here or to go?
For here or to go. What does that mean?
For here means you will sit at a table in the cafe and drink from a ceramic cup. To go means they put it in a paper cup with a lid so you can walk to work.
Ah, to go. Like a takeaway.
Exactly. To go. Let's practice that. Listeners, repeat with Alex. To go, please.
To go, please.
Now, Alex, you are hungry too. I see you looking at the glass display. What do you see?
I see cakes and those big round breads, muffins.
Yes, muffins. We have blueberry muffins, chocolate muffins, and maybe a croissant.
Croissant. That is a French word, right?
Yes, but we use it in English all the time. It is a flaky, buttery pastry.
Okay, I have my drink, my size, my milk, and my muffin. I am ready for the role play. I need my caffeine.
Okay, I will be the barista at Speak Gently Coffee. You are the sleepy customer. Next in line, please. Hi there. What can I get for you today?
Hello. I would like a coffee, please.
Sure. What kind of coffee?
A latte, please.
Great. What size? Small, medium, or large?
Large, please. I am very tired today.
I can see that. Would you like any sugar or flavor in that?
Yes, with sugar, please, and with oat milk.
No problem. A large oat milk latte with sugar. Anything else? A muffin or a croissant?
Yes, please. I would like a chocolate muffin.
You got it. Is that for here or to go?
To go, please. I have to go to work.
Okay. That will be $7.50. Can I have a name for the cup?
My name is Alex.
Thanks, Alex. Your drink will be ready in a minute at the end of the counter.
I did it. I got my chocolate muffin and my large latte. I feel more awake already just talking about it.
You did a great job, Alex. You stayed calm and you answered all the questions.
Jordan, sometimes they ask me, do you want room for cream? What does that mean?
Oh, that is a great one. If you order a black coffee, they ask, do you want room? It means, should I leave some empty space at the top of the cup so you can add your own milk or cream?
Oh, so if I say no room, they fill the cup to the very top.
Exactly. But be careful. If there is no room, you might spill it on your shirt.
I have done that before. I will say with room, please.
Well, Alex, I think you are ready to face the world now. You have the vocabulary, you have the phrases, and you have your chocolate muffin.
Thank you, Jordan. To our friends at home, don't be afraid of the coffee shop. It is a great place to practice.
We have a mission for you today. Write in the comments below, I would like a, and tell us your favorite drink.
Do you like latte, black coffee, or maybe hot chocolate? Tell us. We love to read your orders.
And if you enjoyed this delicious lesson, please like and subscribe to the Speak Gently channel. It helps us keep the coffee brewing.
See you in the next video. Stay caffeinated and speak gently.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.